a search for a man in Bullock County ends in tragedy after his body was found in several feet of floodwater this afternoon.
This brings us, sadly, to a total of 5 people killed in the floodwaters in Kentucky. And earlier today, our Jamie Mays was in Lebanon Junction, where officials are warning people to be careful.
After hours of searching, a man was found in this floodwater in Bullock County.
It's a shame and heartbreaking.
James Stark lives near the tragic scene on Lee Booth Road, where he says his neighbor, 50-year-old James Dishin Jr., was found dead on Tuesday afternoon, not far from his home in Lebanon Junction.
So far away, it really wasn't distinguishable. It was, it was a person or anything. But when I got up higher up and I looked over, I told those guys, that's something different looking over there. So they checked it out, and it turned out to be James Dishin.
Mickey Lord, Lebanon Junction Fire Department chaplain, says the search for Dishin started on Monday after they were notified that Dishin's truck was spotted in the floodwater. Lord says multiple departments responded, including the Bullock County Emergency Response Team and police.
You just hope that he made it out and was just not calling, but unfortunately that's not what happened.
On Tuesday afternoon, Dishin's body was found. While we're still waiting to find out more about the circumstances surrounding his death, Lord says he believes Dishin was trying to make his way through this standing water.
I think he was attempting to go back home, and he had been told that the area was flooded not to go.
And as family continues to grieve the loss of a loved one, Lord is reminding the community to show their support for a family in mourning.
Their hearts are broken. And, if you know this family, reach out to them and show them a little love.
Jamie Mays, WLKY News.